Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make free moving floating text in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to make it. You can very easily moving in any way you can move and floating text this text will be. So you need to do it. So firstly you need to click on insert and once more you need to like this text. This text I need to floating or moving. So firstly select this one and click on insert. Click on insert and here you see this text and text box and just draw it and type here text. You need to moving. So just type here your text. I will adjust the size here. Yeah. And now right click on here, you see here, just right click on it, format shape, just click on it. Now here you see this fill, select no fill and line, select no line and close it here. By clicking here you need to close. Now you see here you can very easily moving anywhere you need to move. So this way you can very easily make free moving floating text in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.